Hello everyone. I thought I'd make a video while my grandson's staying over. We're sorting through my animal collection and we've just tipped them out and then we're going to tidy them up and sort them into categories, which he really likes to do, and so do I. I often use these when I'm teaching music, and this collection goes back many years. So we'll be back later when we've sorted them out. Thanks for watching. We're back again with the animal collection. The light's not very good, but we think we'll just go for it in case we don't get another chance to do this. So here's some of my favourites. There's a guinea pig hutch and enclosure, and some guinea pigs and rabbits. And we've got, especially for you, Katie, a little ferret. So turtle, penguins, ostrich, bears, I really like those ones, polar bears, elephants, there's the orangutans up the back, and the deer and reindeer, 2 raccoons, green tree frogs, oops, I knocked over the leopards, tigers, the cats, some dogs, zebra, chimps, hedgehogs, giraffe, meerkats, some more of the lions, the Aussie animals, kangaroo, koala, some budgerigars. Now originally when I started collecting these I only got the baby animals, but I've gradually added some mothers and fathers as well. There's an owl, a camel and a fox. Oops, I think you could hear our dog barking. And there's Mr. Hippo, who's actually having a snack of the peanuts that we were eating earlier. I'm not sure if that's a crocodile or an alligator trying to eat the seal, dear me. And here's the farm animals, the cows and goats, pigs, lots of hens and chickens. A lot of these toys actually fit on the keys of the piano and I use them for that, or for the titles of the pieces that we're doing. There's horses, so thanks to grandson Sebastian for helping me set these up. And perhaps another day in better light we might do this again. So especially for all the animal lovers out there. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.